Assalamualaikum and a very good evening I bid to my lecturer Sir K. Okay, my name is Afnan Shirazi bin Kamaluddin Shamil. I'm from KBA 2465A. Okay, in this video, I would like to explain about the factors that motivate Samsung to run its business in China. Okay, for the introduction, Samsung Electronic Company is the chief subsidiary of the giant Samsung Group of South Korea, and it is the largest producer of electronics in Asia. There are four major divisions that operate by Samsung Electronics, which are digital media, semiconductors, information and communication, and home appliance. Samsung first entered the electronic industry is in 1969 with their first product, which is the black and white televisions. The company chose its R&D centers in the United States, Silicon Valley, or in England, London, and its production facilities in China, Shenzhen, and Brazil, Sao Paulo. In the meantime, China will use low labor costs and smooth labor law. There are four factors that motivate Samsung to operate its business. Okay, the first one is political factors. Okay, if the organization wishes to maintain long-term growth, political stability should be taken into considerations. When corporations must comply with certain guidelines, political laws and regulations set up by the government should be taken into consideration too. A higher tax rate, a higher minimum wage, and a tougher environment standard will have a negative impact on the business, increasing costs and reducing profitability. The anti-unfair competition legislation aims to shield domestic business from competing with foreign companies. A preferential trading law, on the other hand, promotes foreign investment, and in various countries, law and regulation are different, which make foreign trade more complicated. Overall, Samsung political risk is very low due to administrative representation only in major capital cities and indirect sale by retail dealer due to the geographical diversification. Okay, next is economic factors. In the formulation of business strategy, economic factors are crucial as economic growth, inflation rate, consumption standard, and economic cycle are significantly affecting the profitability of the organizations. The global economic rescue is still underway, which will have a negative effect on the buying power of customers as consumers are unwilling to purchase goods. Moreover, there could be financial threats in developed countries and an economic crisis in the Eurozone. It will lead to higher market risk in an uncertain and turbulent economic climate and make rivalry much fiercer. The business will thus improve profitability and recover losses from nature and establish market by growing into emerging and developing market. The third factor is socio-cultural factor. Social cultural variables including attitudes, behavior, lifestyle, and status are primarily demographic and cultural aspects of the external environment that may change consumer needs. Almost everyone has a mobile phone nowadays, which they use to communicate, find information, and have fun. Samsung mobile phone consumption is also boosted by the trend of sharing through social applications. The business will find ways to adjust to different markets where branches are introduced by tailoring goods that can meet the constantly evolving needs of customers. To get used to the emerging market, Samsung should behave in a local way. The last factor is technological factors. Technological factors in the mobile industry can be viewed as a main influence. It consists of development and infrastructure. automation, quality improvement, reward, cost reduction, and outsourcing are technically advancement. Samsung has been committed to keeping up with the international technology since the early 1970s. Samsung Electronics need to be keep up with the technological change, otherwise it will be left behind quickly and leaving other rivals with opportunities. Samsung Electronics must pursue and track the latest technologies, seizing any opportunities available in order to retain market share. Investment in the procurement of equipment and the recruiting of top talent should be made to promote technical growth. As the conclusion, since Samsung Electronics plans to broaden its global presence, the company will eventually pursue an international market strategy. By using effective strategic tools, the company examines how the climate impacts Samsung's foreign strategy. Samsung takes advantage of synergies between operations. This enables the company to adapt its goods more efficiently and easily than its rival. Samsung Electronics may also compensate for the risk of a failing economy, juggling operation across markets in most countries.